Hello guys, welcome back to me talking about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video I want to share with you how you can make consistent income blogging. Time is money and I don't want to waste yours, so let's get started. Starting with Google Ads, anyone with a blog, old or new, can apply for Google Ads. The only disadvantage, the money you make per ad isn't that great compared to other ad companies which are in partnership with Google, but they have high entry barriers. The second best ad company that has better paying ads but still doesn't require a high number of views is Ezoic. They used to require 10k page views per month, but now they no longer have minimum requirements just like Google Ads. The only difference is they are very strict. They even check plagiarism in your content, website loading speed, etc. Because of all the rules, even though Ezoic doesn't have requirements like Google AdSense, their ads tend to pay 200 times more. If you are still starting out, I highly recommend joining Ezoic instead of Google AdSense, but being accepted into the ad program is not enough. You still need visitors, authentic visitors. Other better ad agencies are AdThrive and Mediavine. Mediavine is the best in the game, but you need to have 50k monthly page views to be able to join. Their ads pay much better than Google AdSense, Ezoic or AdThrive. As your blog grows, you can always change from one ad agency to another. How much you make depends on many factors such as your niche, number of visitors, the length of your post, etc. Sometimes, even if you're in a high-paying niche, you can still get paid less if the competition is too high. The second way you can monetize your blog is through affiliate marketing. When it comes to affiliate marketing, other than educating yourself, you have to be strategic. One trick I highly recommend: start by looking for affiliate programs in your niche or around topics you want to write about. Don't write a post, then look for affiliate programs. Of course, you don't want every post to be selling something, a mistake most bloggers make when they get into affiliate marketing. You have to understand that there are posts that are supposed to generate money through affiliate links, but the traffic that particular topic will bring will compensate for affiliate income. You will make decent money from displayed ads if your blog is monetized. I'll give you an example of a post I wrote a while back titled 13 Best Platforms to Buy Crypto. I wanted to share crypto platforms, but instead of doing it for free, based on my research, I listed all the platforms considered to be the best. I then went to each website to check if they offered any affiliate program. 7 of the 13 companies I was going to write about did have affiliate programs. I applied before publishing the post, and by the time I posted, 4 of the 13 were affiliates and 3 got denied. I could have just changed the title to 4 crypto platforms and only promote my affiliate links, but to make sure I provided value to the reader, I legit did some digging, tested each platform, and included pros and cons of each platform, even the ones I wasn't affiliated with. I wanted to leave it up to the reader to decide. If they decided to sign up with companies I was not affiliated with from the list, it was still okay. The quality of the post was still gonna encourage the reader to come back for more content in the future if they felt the comparison was genuine and thorough. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing, don't let greed get in the way. Prioritize value over everything. Writing posts just to plug in your affiliate links won't cut it. Authenticity and integrity may be slow, but it's worth it. Even if your post is solely about promoting a product, make it valuable to the reader. When you provide valuable information, you don't have to worry or beg readers to sign up using your affiliate links. They will sign up if you give them enough information that can influence their purchasing decision. Tip number 2, if your niche allows, focus on high-paying affiliate programs. That way you don't need a lot of sales to make good money. Kinsta, for example, provides hosting, and if you are in their affiliate program, from one sale you can make up to $500 and then 10% monthly commissions for as long as that person you referred is still using the service. If your affiliate target per month is plus or minus 10,000 rands, for example, as a beginner, getting one Kinsta sale is much better than promoting 20 Amazon products. How to get traffic to your blog. Number 1, SEO ranking. It can take 3 to 6 months to rank on Google. One of the things that you can do to rank high is writing long form posts. Posts that are at least 2,500 words tend to rank higher over time compared to 400 to 1,000 words posts. While trying to increase your word count, be careful not to fill your posts with fluff, because at the end of the day, you are writing for people, not Google robots. Focus on your content, maybe have subtopics that can give you a chance to dive deep into each without boring the reader or wasting their time. Some free SEO tools you can use are SEMrush and Answer the Public. With SEMrush, you can generate content templates with suggested keywords to use based on your topic. They analyze searches around that topic. They also have a keyword metric tool that allows you to search up to 10 keywords per day. Answer the Public, on the other hand, allows you to enter a keyword or a URL. They will then provide you a list of related keyword ideas in the form of phrases and questions. Some paid tools you can use: Safer SEO and Jasper AI. Safer SEO is the perfect platform if you want to take your SEO strategies to the next level. They do keywords audits, suggesting how many words you need for that particular post. There is even an option for content editing where you can just paste your blog articles and it shows you your score and how to improve your on-page SEO. Jasper AI is not an SEO tool per se, but it's an AI writing tool. It incorporates SEO strategies. This tool can help you write an entire blog post within minutes because the AI predicts what you want to write about and provide you a rough post that you can build from. Number 2 is link building. Link building is the process of acquiring hyperlinks from other websites to your own and vice versa. But how do you get people to link to your site? You can build relationships by linking to the sites in your niche, and hopefully they can link back to you in future, or you can reach out to other bloggers in your niche and collaborate by linking back to each other. Most bloggers will say yes to this because it's a win-win, and everyone who's treating blogging as a business is forever fighting to rank higher on Google. Or you can focus on branding and reputation by publishing high quality content and making sure that your website looks neat. Other bloggers in your niche may link to your website without even asking you if they feel like you're one of the top bloggers in the niche. This will not only give you free traffic, but it will help a lot with ranking high on Google. Number 3 is Pinterest. Pinterest is still the best social media platform for blogging. Pinterest market cap is currently at $16.4 billion. While the app is amazing for bringing free traffic, I think it's mostly suitable for women or people who are writing for female audience. 76% of Pinterest users are female and only 14% are male. If your niche is targeting male audience, it may be worth it to put more effort into SEO than Pinterest pins. One strategy you can use to drive people to your blog is by joining group boards and posting at least 5 to 15 pins per post. Don't pin more than 3 times using one URL within 24 hours. This is not a written rule, but some people have been blocked before for pinning multiple times a day using one URL. Blogging doesn't end with publishing posts. Every week, create new pins for different posts, not just for new posts. Number 4, email list. You need subscribers for your blog so that you can notify them every time you release a new post. But just like affiliate marketing, this is a tricky one. One mistake I made when I started my first blog, I had an email list form, but I was asking people to join just for updates. And guess what? Not many people join because the reader is always selfish. They are not gonna join if there's nothing in for them. No one wants to receive annoying email notifications only about new blog posts when they can just go and search for your blog post. So how do you do it right, you may ask? Forget about what you want, but give them what they want. Give them a reason to join your mailing list other than your good content. Offer freebies. If you're a personal trainer who blogs about fitness and healthy recipes, you can offer free weekly home workout plans with free recipes to follow, or maybe even short videos of each exercise. If you ask someone to click a form to receive a free detailed weekly workout plan plus healthy recipes, they will most likely fill the form if they're into health or are trying to lose weight, because now they are getting something of value out of your ask instead of you promising them new posts that they could just search up if they wanted to read. The best way to use email lists to drive traffic to your blog is by providing value other than your content. Maybe at the bottom of your weekly newsletters, you can attach your blog post. That way it doesn't seem like you're just sending a notification about your new blog post. I know it's not fair. You are already spending time writing good posts. Now you have to spend time writing weekly letters or curating freebies. Unfortunately, that's just how it works. People don't care how much work you've done already. They want what they want. As a beginner, you can use ConvertKit for newsletters. It's free until you reach 1,000 subscribers. Blogging is a business and it takes time. My suggestion would be start blogging while you still have your 9-to-5 or online jobs or some source of income. That way you won't be too frustrated trying to make money fast instead of focusing on building a good blog. Plus, you still need money to start a blog, for example, paying for hosting, Grammarly for grammar check, Quillbots for plagiarism, Canva Pro for nice designs, and ConvertKit once you reach 1,000 subscribers. Should you have any questions regarding blogging, comment down below. I'm going to try to reply as soon as I can. See you soon.